Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, wa man azlamu mimman iftara ala Allahi kadhiban aw qala uhiya ilayya wa lam yuha ilayhi shay'un wa man qala sa'unzilu mithla ma anzala Allah ولو ترى إذ الظالمون في غمرات الموت والملائكة باسطوا أيديهم أخرجوا أنفسكم اليوم تجزون عذاب الهون بما كنتم تقولون على الله غير الحق وكنتم عن آياته تستكبرون. Translation: And who is more unjust wicked than him who forges a lie about Allah or says, I have received revelation while nothing had been revealed to him, and he who says, I can reveal something like what has been revealed by Allah. And if you could see when the evildoers are in agonies of death, when the angels will stretch out their hands saying, deliver out your souls, this day you will be awarded humiliating punishment, for you were speaking against Allah and that was not true, and you rejected his revealed verses in arrogance. The previous ayat, Jews were mentioned who said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not reveal anything on any human. Now in this ayat, a man who forges a lie about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioned. So that lie could be that he claims to be a prophet, or claims to have a revealed book, or claims that somebody is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's son or daughter, or say that I can make the book like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent. Scholars have said that this ayah is about Musaylama Kadhab, who claimed to be a prophet during Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's time, and he was rejected by the people, and he had humiliating life and death after that claim. He also forged some ayahs like Quran, but they were never popular and nobody accepted them as a revealed ayahs. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentioned the time of death of these non-believers, which is painful and humiliating. When a non-believer dies, the angels stretch their hands towards him and order him to get the soul out, and they are in the agonies of death, and they are trying to stay inside the body, but the soul is pulled out with force, as it is mentioned in a hadith that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that when a disbeliever dies, the Malakul Maut sits by his head and orders the soul that, oh dirty soul, come out towards the wrath of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the soul tries to hide in the body, but Malakul Maut pulls the soul just like if there is a wet wool which is wrapped on a metal stake and somebody is pulling out that wool by force. So disbelievers who were in kufr and who were denying the ayahs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and who were speaking against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that was not true, and who rejected the verses of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in arrogance, will be ended like this. So the punishment will be started at the time of death and will continue in the grave, and then will continue in the day of resurrection, and will be continued forever after that. Let's pray. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who are free from any punishment of yours and guide us to the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.